Welcome to Block 7. In today's episode, we take a closer look at Tamarindo House, a unique architectural project by Taller Estilo Arquitectura located in Mérida, Mexico, spanning 375 square meters. This single-story residence was designed for a visual artist and his wife, a graphic designer and writer. The home is situated on an irregular plot with mature, pre-existing vegetation, most notably, a large tamarind tree that would eventually define the entire project. Rather than removing or working around the tree, the architects embraced it. The tamarind tree became the centerpiece, the heart of the architectural narrative. Every design decision radiates from this natural element, creating a seamless integration between architecture and nature. From the moment one enters the site, the tree is framed, acknowledged, and celebrated as a focal point. The home's layout is not imposed on the land but guided by it, honoring the tree's original location while allowing the built environment to revolve organically around it. The house is carefully divided into public and private zones based on natural orientation and sunlight exposure, while maintaining strong connections to the outdoors. Circulation paths and internal courtyards lead naturally toward garden spaces, ensuring every room opens up to nature. This conscious blurring of boundaries between interior and exterior is more than just a design choice, it's a lifestyle philosophy. The design encourages the occupants to interact with the outdoor environment at every turn, reinforcing the home's deep bond with its natural context. One of the defining features of Tamarindo House is the guiding wall, a dramatic architectural element that greets visitors and subtly leads them across the property. This wall isn't static. It evolves along the path. In some places, it's tall and solid, reaching 6.2 meters high to create privacy and monumentality. In others, it breaks open into large framed views, niches, and transitional spaces, providing glimpses of greenery and allowing light to filter in. Ultimately, the wall becomes a journey in itself, culminating at the entrance to the artist's studio. The spatial program is modest yet highly functional. It includes 2 bedrooms with a shared bathroom, an open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area, 2 separate studios for the couple's creative work, and a variety of outdoor living spaces. Gardens, a pool, dining and lounge terraces, and even a sunbathing deck. All these elements are strategically distributed around the tamarind tree to make the most of natural cross-ventilation, shade, and daylight throughout the day. terms of materiality, the architects took inspiration from the historic haciendas of the Yucatan Peninsula, while steering toward a more contemporary expression. The goal was to create a timeless residence, one that would age gracefully, where materials would tell their own story through the passage of time. This led to the use of natural, unfinished materials such as integral color polished cement, which subtly changes tone with light and wear. These surfaces give the home a raw, organic feel, neither too pristine nor too rustic. This material strategy helped define what the architects call a contemporary hacienda, a house that captures the charm and permanence of traditional Mexican architecture while embracing modern functionality and aesthetics. It's a home that doesn't feel fixed in time, but rather evolves with its occupants and environment. The result is both poetic and practical, a house rooted in place and purpose, yet fluid in experience. More than just a house, Tamarindo House is a lesson in respectful design. It shows how architecture can listen to nature, respond to its cues, and elevate the existing landscape rather than override it. It's a peaceful retreat for creation, rest, and daily life, where the rhythm of nature guides how spaces are used and experienced. If you're looking for inspiration on how to build with, rather than against, nature, this house is a powerful example.